Welcome to the Kenton County Library's Pinterest series. In our previous video, we went over the first 8 steps as a foundation of how to get ready for juggling. Now we're going to go through steps 9 through 20 and actually be juggling. Here we go. Alright, step number 9. We're going to put our 2 juggling balls into one hand. We're going to need to know how to launch 2 from one hand when we get to 3. But it's good practice with 2 as well. So the step 9 is just simply throw the 1. Notice that I have 1 more in the palm of my hand, 1 in the fingertips of my hand. I'm just going to throw the 1 that's in my fingertips up in the air and catch it. This is step 9. What you're doing is you're practicing the launch with 2 in one hand. For some people it's a little bit tricky. You might have them both come out. That's not what you're trying to do. You just try to throw 1 up separately. That's step number 9. Now, step number 10. You're going to throw that first 1 up, and we're going to call it the freebie. It's called the freebie because it's the only throw that doesn't have a catch after it. After you do your freebie, you'll do your next throw, and then you're going to do your first catch, and then you're going to do 1 more catch because there's 2 balls in the air. So it looks like this. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. All you're doing is you're throwing the 2 balls up in sequence. The first one I like to call the freebie because it doesn't have a catch immediately after it. So it's throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Sounds familiar? We did that earlier. That's step number 10. Now we're ready for step number 11. Number 11, you're going to do the same thing that we did in step number 10. Freebie, throw and catch, but then you're going to add 1 more toss to it. So you'll have another throw and catch and catch. So it looks like this. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. Basically what you're doing is 3 tosses. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. I remember when I first learned this, it looked like this. Freebie, throw and catch, nah! Freebie, whoa, whoa! But here's the idea. Look where you're trying to throw. 1, 2, 3, catch. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. 1, 2, 3. That's step number 11. Step number 12. This is so exciting. This is where you see how many tosses and catches you can do using just 1 hand. You're going to use the freebie, throw and catch method. But at this point, it's just too much to say freebie, throw and catch. So just count them as you do it. It goes like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. As you do this, watch where they're peaking. And you want to throw the next one every time the one before it peaks. So you're watching where they peak. Every time one peaks, that's when you throw the next one. See how many you can do? That's step number 12. Here we are. We're ready for step number 13. Now you're going to put your juggling balls in your other hand. And you're going to just practice that 1 toss from 2 hand. 1 toss from 2 in the hand. And you could do a low toss, do a high toss. You're ready. Step number 14. You're going to throw your freebie, then throw and catch, catch. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. That's all it is. You're throw, catch, catch. You practice with your other hand. Now you're practicing with this hand. Now we're ready for step number 15. We're going to do the same thing we just did on 14, but we're going to try to add in 1 more toss. That will give you 3 tosses with your 2 balls in your other hand. So it's 1, 2, 3. Or as I like to say, freebie, throw and catch, catch. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. We're ready for step number 16. In step number 16, you're just going to try to keep the juggling balls going using your other hand. And we're going to count how many tosses we can do. Every time one peaks, that's when you throw the next one. Freebie, throw and catch, throw and catch. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm watching where they peak. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Set a goal. Maybe your goal is 3 in a row. Maybe it's 4 in a row. Maybe it's 10. Maybe it's 25. Set a goal and practice till you reach it. We're ready for step number 17. And this is going to be really a review of something we've already practiced. And in this, you're going to have your 2 juggling balls. You're going to throw, throw, catch, catch. And you're going to do the exchange that we practiced before. But you're going to alternate hands that you throw from first. So I'm always going to be throwing first from my blue juggling ball here. And I'm going to do it 10 times. So I've already done it 2. So throw, throw, catch, catch, that's 3. Throw, throw, catch, catch, that's 4. Throw, throw, catch, catch, that's 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you drop along the way, as almost everybody does as they're learning, it's okay. You just pick it back up and continue where you were. Step number 18. Now you have 3 juggling balls in your hands. Yep, 2 in one hand, 1 in your other. Try to remember this. Almost always you start from the hand that has 2 in it. So put 2 in the hand that you like to begin with, the hand you write and draw with, and you're going to do the same technique that we've talked about already. You're going to have 1 freebie, that will be my yellow one. When it peaks, I'm going to do my first throw and catch, and then I'll do my second throw and catch. Basically, all I'm doing is I'm throwing up all 3 juggling balls in sequence. So it goes freebie, throw and catch, catch. Freebie, throw and catch, catch. Or at this point, it's just easier to count it. So it's number 1, 2, 3, catch. 1, 2, 3, catch. Step number 19. Now you're just going to see how many you can do. How many tosses can you make without dropping? And I think a great rule of thumb is, if in doubt, toss it. So you start from the hand that has 2, freebie, throw and catch, throw and catch, throw and catch. And it just works a little bit simpler. It's too much to say freebie, throw and catch. So you just say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many can you do? Give it a try. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See how many you can do. Step number 20. For step number 20, you're going to take the extra ball, put it in your other hand. It's just like you practiced before, but now you're starting from your other hand. It's a good idea to try all of the different tricks that you try with juggling with both hands. So now it's the same thing, my freebie, throw and catch, throw and catch, throw and catch. How many can you do starting from your other hand? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good job. See how many you can do. Practice from this hand, and then this hand, and then this hand. Which hand works better for you? And practice both of them no matter what. You can do it. And then, pretty soon, you'll be adding in tricks. You'll be going, using your head. You'll nose what you're doing. You'll elbow your way to the top. You'll reach up so that you can do your best. You'll pick up speed. And juggling will be your thing. Great job.